Hello, cowboys and cowgirls. Let's go to Amealco. Amealco is located to the south of Querétaro. Amealco means place of the springs in Nahuatl. The lodging options in the center of the town are very few, but within the same municipality you can find many options, from staying in a thematic hotel that was previously a colonial hacienda of old Mexico to many and varied options of cabins, even camping places. The center of this town is not that very touristic, but man, there are places in this municipality that have a lot to offer. I live near Amealco, so I come here very often. As you can see, the landscapes are spectacular. In this drive, we will visit the center of Amealco, but above all, we'll visit the ruins of the old temple of San Ildefonso and the former hacienda of San Nicolás de la Torre. I think these are very enigmatic places, full of magic and history. Let's go! Here we are in the magic town of Amealco, but due to a religious holiday, the streets are closed and I cannot get to the center of the town. I wanted to show you where they roast and grind coffee. I haven't mentioned it before, but I am a coffee lover. My day is not a good day if it doesn't start with a cup of freshly brewed coffee. I have tried different ways to make coffee, but the Italian coffee maker is definitely my favorite method. So, if one day you come to Amealco, right next to the church, there is a place where they sell coffee. In fact, you can order the mixture you want. The man who sells it explained to me that the coffee from Veracruz is the most aromatic, but has a mild flavor, and the one from Chiapas has less aroma, but its flavor is stronger. So you can order the mixture you want of these two coffees, finding the perfect balance between aroma and flavor. But now, let's go to visit another place in this municipality. Hello, cowboys and cowgirls. Now here I'm with my nephew. We are in an ex-temple of San Ildefonso. Let me show you some epic shots. This place was built in the 18th century by Otomi people. According to a legend, an eagle landed on this place to indicate to the inhabitants where to build the temple. This was entirely made of stone, but due to a flood, the place was destroyed, leaving only these ruins. However, this place is still the site of ceremonies and rituals performed by members of the Otomi community. According to the legend, from time to time, the eagle lands on the tower and sees the inhabitants and then takes off again. Okay, now we are here in the ex-hacienda of San Nicolás de la Torre. As you can see, this is a very, very old building. Let's check it out. How I like this kind of very, very old buildings. I think they are full of history. They are full of magic. How many people would have lived here? I think it's amazing. This former hacienda that was built in the 16th century was the largest in Amealco and is located in the community of La Torre. Here, groups of Spanish and French settled in the colonial times, but the friars and religious orders marked the architectural style. The former hacienda was the site of several historical scenarios, such as that of the Mexican Revolution, of which there are still marks of the numerous battles and looting that took place here. Nowadays, most of the inhabitants in this place produce artisan cheese of the highest quality. My goodness, this is so beautiful. Thanks for coming with me on this trip. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. Now it's time to go home, but not before asking you to subscribe to the channel. Subscribing is for free. Please give me a like and share the video. You will help me a lot if you do it. Now, until the next video, and ride safe.